our setting color, which is that one right there. So
Where's your fingernail
I'm gonna do
polish?
it. Get away.
Okay.
So close one of your eyes. Oh, it's turning out pink.
And then I will start to really blend it out. With this shade,
Okay, close your eye.
blend this out. Again, you will not really see the shade towards the end, so if you're not like really blending this,
This eyeshadow brings out all those wrinkles.
because I want it to look diffused, as you can see on this side, there is a tiny bit of definition.
Is that a compliment?
I don't know. Doing this rose color. Well, it's not really rosy, but it's like a very nice dark purple. We're gonna put that on the corner so it can kind of blend with the other colors that we've done so far.
Okay. Let's do it.
Oh, that looks good. You probably won't like it.
I can't wait to see it.
Oh, it's actually showing up nice.
Am I filming my eye?
I think so. Okay. Me? Do you feel overdone?
No.
I can really.
Oh, we're getting on the underneath?
Kind of, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Wait.
Oh, yeah.
Whoops.
Do I look good?
Now I'm gonna go back,
Uh-huh. Come on.
and I'm gonna go back under,
Under.
and I'm gonna do the same color as I did before.
Okay, let's go. Wait, we need the light.
Whoops. Oh, it actually looks good.
What are we doing? Using a little black?
Free-handed.
Freehanding.
Black.
Where are you putting the black?
Under your eyes.
Are you sure, Annabelle?
That's what they did on the other person.
Okay.
I mean,
Hold on. It was just
I mean,
we're gonna pause it at this point and
Oh.
show you the after effect.
Look,
She's gonna
it's
put black
not-
under my eyes.
It's not a lot.
Okay.
So now we have moved on to eyebrows because that girl's video was 15 minutes long and I just started freehanding.
Okay.
So now we're gonna
she's
do
gonna
your
darken my
eyebrows.
eyebrows. Okay. Here we go.
I messed up a little bit. That's okay. We'll just, oh great, it just smeared it. Great. It's okay, we're gonna. Okay, it's not working.
Just
Now I need to do it on the other side.
just put some more black on there and straighten it out. No? Or just leave it. What's funny? It looks bad?
No, your eyebrows like. Oh my god. I'm so excited. I've never handled eyeliner before.
Okay, come on.
Okay. Hope it's not waterproof.
Need the light?
Yep. Oh god, I'm scared.
What did you do?
Nothing.
Dang, girl, how far are you gonna go out with it?
It's not that far.
Feels like you're going in my ear.
I'm not. You look like Cleopatra.
That's what I'm saying. It's a fierce swing.
Okay, stop moving.
Okay. What's so funny?
Your eyeliner.
I thought you were trying to make me look pretty, Annabelle.
Seriously, I'm trying. Mom, I'm so sorry. I mean, it doesn't look hideous.
We'll finish the other eye so I can film myself.
Okay. The new and improved 2019 Cleopatra.
Okay. Oh my god.
Oh, you should see your face.
God.
Come on, finish. Don't say, oh my god.
What?
You're supposed to keep it close to the Annabelle. Why are you doing it so low? You're making me look like an MMA fighter. Come on.
Please don't post this on YouTube. You can send it to games you, your friend. I'm done with that eye. I'm moving on to
Okay.
the other eye. Is that low? Because I don't want to hit your eyeball.
Do I look like Jafar?
Yes.
You look the same. Look what you look like. Turn the camera on.
No?
Mascara
All
time.
right, careful. Do not poke me in the eye.
Okay, I'll tell you when to blink.
Don't mess up my eye makeup.
Blink, 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 blink. Ooh. Look at me. Cleopatra.
What are you doing with it? You're going to poke me in the eye.
Alright.
That's my... What are you doing?
Okay, that's good.
Is that good?
They're so
No.
uneven.
Girl.
Cleopatra in there.
Cleo. Just call me Cleo.
Mom.
Color in the cheeks?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see.
Next,
do
Mom's
this.
gonna do me next
Uh-huh.
and see
Yeah.
how
We're going to do a contest. Whose makeup looks better?
I'm good with blush.
Good. Good with it. I don't
You making fun of me?
have any concealer on. Or
Yeah, you don't.
base.
Yeah.
And my nose is dry at the end. You didn't moisturize my skin before you started. But whatever.
I don't want to put
It's okay.
concealer on because I don't know how to do that. I don't want to irritate her tonight.
Oh, yeah. You always got to get on that. Oh, yeah. Oh. Highlight. Do I have enough?
I think so.
You know, I like a lot of blush.
You like a lot?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna put a lot more.
Because I'm like pale. Like I need some color in my cheeks. Okay, what do I do?
Go.
You're defining? Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let me see.
Okay. All right, so we're going to finish the look.
Some lipstick.
Some lipstick. No. How you going to do my lips? Just...
I've never done this before, woman.
Uh-huh. Well, it kind of goes like this. Did you get it on my lips?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Got it. It really matches with your eyeshadow.
So am I finished? What do you think?
Like follow the bill.